Why is human urine acidic in nature? Human urine is usually acidic because of the active secretion of hydrogen ions into the filtrate by the cells in the proximal convoluted tubule and the distal convoluted tubule of the kidneys. And this process helps to regulate the pH, that is the body's pH, by excreting excess acid. So the kidney plays a crucial role in maintaining the acid-base balance of the body. Now, coming to the options here, option A is the correct answer. Hydrogen ions are actively secreted into the filtrate. Whereas option B, the sodium transporter, exchange one hydrogen ion for each sodium ion in peritubular capillaries. So this is involved in regulating acid-base balance. So that means option B is incorrect. Option C, excreted plasma proteins are acidic. This is incorrect because the plasma proteins are not acidic. Option D, the potassium and sodium exchange generates acidity. This is playing an overall role in ionic balance. So option D is also incorrect. The correct answer is option A.